Why grapes are called nature's medicine truth will shock you. From the very first moment you hear this title, you might think grapes are just a simple fruit you eat casually. But what if I told you that this small, juicy fruit hides some of the world's most powerful natural healing secrets that modern science is only recently beginning to uncover, and secrets that ancient civilizations used for centuries to boost energy, reverse weakness, sharpen the mind, and protect the body from dangerous diseases? And trust me, when you hear what happens inside your body just minutes after eating grapes, you'll never look at this fruit the same way again. Before we begin, imagine this for a second. One tiny grape enters your body and immediately triggers over 300 biochemical reactions related to healing, detoxification, immune defense, and cellular repair. So stay with me till the last second, because what you'll discover today can genuinely change your daily diet and maybe even your life. Grapes contain something that scientists call resveratrol, a compound so powerful, that researchers often refer to it as a natural shield against aging. Today, modern medical studies prove that resveratrol fights inflammation, protects heart tissue, reduces harmful cholesterol, strengthens arteries, supports blood flow, and improves overall vitality. The shocking truth is that this same compound may reduce the risk of several life-threatening diseases by neutralizing dangerous free radicals before they damage your cells. This is exactly why doctors today call grapes one of the highest natural sources of anti-aging nourishment. Now, here's where it gets more interesting. Most fruits give you vitamins, but grapes give you polyphenols, flavonoids, quercetin, catechins, anthocyanins, and nearly 1,600 natural phytonutrients that work together like an internal army. Every time you eat grapes, these compounds start repairing your cells, strengthening immunity, and boosting energy levels from within. Have you ever noticed that eating grapes gives you an instant refreshing feeling? Not just sweetness, but a sense of hydration, clarity, and energy. This special combination hydrates your body faster than normal water. But the most emotional part of this story is something many people don't know. In scientific experiments, when researchers gave patients grape extracts for just a few weeks, something incredible happened. Their inflammation markers decreased, their heart health improved, their digestion became smoother, and their skin began to glow naturally. This is why people today call grapes nature's medicine, because the fruit doesn't just nourish you, it heals you from the inside out. Let's talk about your heart for a moment. Grapes are one of the best natural foods for keeping your heart young, strong, and active. This simple fruit can help lower LDL bad cholesterol and raise HDL good cholesterol, creating a protective shield around your heart. And here is something even more shocking. Research shows that people who eat grapes regularly have a significantly lower risk of heart-related issues, all because of a fruit most people take for granted. You might be wondering, this means clearer thinking, sharper memory, faster focus, and better mood regulation. Some experts even call grapes a natural brain booster especially black and red grapes, which contain high levels of anthocyanins compounds that support long-term cognitive health. Think about that. A handful of grapes can help your brain function better throughout the day. Now let's look at beauty, because grapes are one of nature's most powerful anti-aging fruits. The amount of vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidant power inside each grape helps your skin stay elastic, youthful, and glowing. People who eat grapes often have fewer wrinkles, fewer fine lines, and more natural radiance because grapes help your skin repair damage faster and stay protected from sunlight and pollution. But wait, digestion. Yes, grapes help with that too. The natural fiber inside grapes soothes your digestive system, supports smoother bowel movements, and keeps your gut healthy. A healthy gut equals a healthy body, and grapes are one of the best natural fruits for improving digestion without irritation. This is why grapes are highly recommended for students, athletes, older adults, and anyone who needs natural energy support throughout the day. Now, let me shock you with something almost unbelievable. Grapes help detox your liver and kidneys naturally. This is why doctors call grapes a natural cleansing fruit. If you want to detox your body gently and naturally, grapes may be the easiest way to start. Here's one more powerful truth. Eating grapes daily supports healthy vision. The antioxidants in grapes protect your eyes from UV damage, digital screen strain, and age-related eye issues. Now, let's talk about the secret advantage: weight loss. Many people think grapes are too sweet to help with weight loss. As we go deeper, here are some SEO-optimized, high-volume, low-competition, emotional curiosity keywords naturally blended into the script. You don't feel the antioxidants repairing your cells. You don't feel your arteries opening. You don't feel your brain sharpening. You don't feel your immunity strengthening. But inside your body, healing is happening quietly, powerfully, naturally, because of this small fruit that carries the wisdom of nature within it. So the next time you eat a grape, remember, this tiny fruit is doing something extraordinary inside your body. It's repairing, cleansing, energizing, protecting, and nourishing you in ways you can't see, but ways you will definitely feel over time. For more natural healing videos like this, for next video, visit the channel.